Hello everyone. So in this video, I show you how I practice with ChatGPT as a speaking partner, and I just show you how you also practice your spoken English with ChatGPT. So without wasting time, let's break the ice. And now I just own my second phone, and now I just simply go on ChatGPT. Yeah, look at this and tap on this button. Tap on this button and now it's started, and you see the demo how I talk with ChatGPT. So let's get started. Hello ChatGPT, how are you?
Hello. I'm good, thanks for asking. So, what's on the menu today? Are we chopping veggies or something a bit trickier?
So yes, ChatGPT. First of all, uh, today now I am recording my video for YouTube audience, and tell me, and please speak slowly and bit loudly that people can recognize you and easily understand you. Okay?
Sure. I'll speak slowly and clearly. You're recording for a YouTube audience today, okay? Are you showing how to chop something on camera?
Yes. Okay. So tell me about why education system is not good in India. Why students are struggling to get a good access amount of education, and especially in village area.
Looking now, that's a big question. India has made progress, but many students still face challenges. Rural areas often lack quality resources, trained teachers, reliable internet. There are also economic pressures, and language barriers can make learning harder. But reforms and new policies are aiming to improve things slowly.
Yes, that's true. Language is a big barrier when it comes to get access a good education, right?
Right. If the language used in school is different from the language spoken at home, then learning becomes more difficult. Can
Yes.
affect confidence and comprehension. So, students might struggle even when they're working hard.
Yes, that's true. I got your point. And could you tell me how, if somebody is entirely beginner and they want to learn English, how they start their journey? What is the best approach you suggest to beginner student?
Just a sec. That's a great question. For a beginner, start with simple, everyday words. Listen daily to short English videos or children's stories. Speak from day one, even basic sentences. Read and write a few lines each day and practice consistently.
Yeah,
Most importantly, don't be afraid of mistakes.
yes, that is a very good point, as you already mentioned. Most of learner are very afraid to did a mistake, and fear of mistake it hinders her or his fluency, right?
Right, fear can block practice, but mistakes are how fluency grows. Try short, regular speaking practice. Record yourself, listen back, and note one small thing to improve next time. Little steps add up. Don't chase perfection,
Okay,
chase communication.
thank you so much for your response, very quick. And now I want to wrap up this session. Whenever I want, I just tell you, and you give me the appropriate answer, and we will chat for sure, okay, as a friend.
Absolutely. Happy to chat anytime. Just say when.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay, so you already see how I practice with ChatGPT in a live, not in a chatting. You just thought in your mind, I am chatting with ChatGPT, and in this way I'm learning. No, it's a speaking version. And if you told that ChatGPT, please bit slower down. I am beginner. Speak slowly, slowly and aloud. I didn't catch you properly. So it will gives you the different kind of, you never ever imagine how ChatGPT transform anyone's life, and it is that's true. ChatGPT transformed my life. Whatever I am because of ChatGPT and YouTube. I didn't take any course and pay single rupee, right? So yeah, if you follow the chat GPT for 1 to 2 months continuously, even if it is 30 minutes or 20 minutes, definitely you will be a better communicator or a better version of yourself, and speaking is already there. You are becoming a great communicator and advance and polish your skills with ChatGPT. You can tell ChatGPT easily, "Hey, please correct my mistake, send me 1 to 2 daily phrases, new phrases and examples." And after that, you can also practice your uh, speaking thing, and whatever you have in your mind, just go and talk with ChatGPT. You're becoming best friend anytime, anywhere. Bye bye.